Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adiola, aka Basic Makeup Mother. And I know I've been gone for a minute, but you know, life happens. So we just gonna get right into it. I know I'm looking a little bit ashy, but that's because I've already primed and set my primer. So we're just gonna go in with some foundation and finish up the makeup real quick. And then we're gonna jump right into the outfit. So let's go. Oh, by the way, all the products that I'm using are gonna be listed down in the description box. So don't worry, boo, I got you. I got you. So, the reason why I'm getting all made up today is because yesterday, y'all, last night, I went to my husband and I was just like, I haven't been feeling pretty lately, you know? Like, I know I'm pretty, but I just haven't been feeling it. And I was like, I haven't made myself up. I haven't gone anywhere. It's just been about like work, home, work, home, work, home, work, home. So he was like, oh, that's how you feel? And I was like, yeah. He was like, okay, then tomorrow, wake up after the kids go to school, get ready, and I'll take you out. And I was just like, for real? He was like, yeah. I'm not working tomorrow, so I'll take you out. We both off today. So I was like, bet. And then as the night sank in, I was just like, well, dang. I actually gotta get up early on my off day, put clothes on these kids, send them off to school. Not to mention my kids had pajama day today. Well, my oldest had pajama day, but they both came home saying pajama days tomorrow. So both of them wore pajamas today. So I had to wake up early and go to Walmart and buy them pajamas. Am I the only parent that does that? Like when it's pajama day, like they never have pajamas at home. So I have to go get pajamas at 7 a.m. because I don't want to take them into the stores with me. Look, some of y'all probably like, hey, why your kids ain't got pajamas? Look, I grew up in a time, especially Nigerians, if you know, I can't speak for all Africans, okay? So Nigerians, if you know, when we was younger and we used to go to those birthday parties and the parents used to just print the birthday shirts for the kids and that was your nightgown, my kids literally wear oversized shirts and leggings or whatever to bed, and they are okay with that. Perfectly okay with that. So I had to rush out this morning and go buy them some pajamas, right? I take them to school and my oldest, she was like freaking out because she didn't see nobody else in pajamas, but it's only for her class. So she was like, Mom, can you please check with the principal? The principal's outside. Can you please check the principal and make sure that we're supposed to wear pajamas today? I'm like, girl, we at the school. If you're not supposed to wear pajamas, what you want me to do? What was the thing? If you can't go to whatever, Bella Noches, then where can you go?
If you can't go to Bella Noches, where the hell could you go?
I was like, so what we supposed to do? She was like, do you guys take me home so I can change? I was like, no, you better get in my car. Get in my car. I mean, I was gonna take her back, but thankfully it was her picture. It was her pajama day, but for my youngest, it wasn't. But she was like, I don't care, Mommy. I'm just gonna wear my pajamas. But then I said I'd have to say, so I was thinking, I started thinking that, I was like, dang, I really gotta get up early, get these kids off to school, and then put my makeup, do my hair, and do all that. God dang, but hey, it's needed. So we just gonna I'm gonna try this little trick real quick where I do this. And my brows, they just supposed to magically appear. That's that mother magic. So now, of course, I'm just gonna blend it through. And the thing is, I don't even know where we're going. Hopefully it's somewhere good. See, I'm using this Fenty concealer, and I haven't used it in a while, and now I'm remembering why. I just got a color that was it's just a tad bit lighter than me, so you can barely see it. So I don't know, and I don't know if the LA Girl Pro and this mesh. So, cause y'all know not everything meshes together, but yeah, we're gonna see. So we're gonna find out together. See, I feel like it just blended right into my skin, like merged. They merged together. They are one. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a hint of this, just to brighten it up a tad bit. So while I'm waiting for this to kind of dry down, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour. I am wearing a hat, so I'm not gonna be contouring my forehead. So I don't even know why I did a forehead highlight. It's just, y'all know sometimes when it's the routine, and you kind of forget. But I am wearing a hat, so I'm not gonna be contouring my forehead. Forehead little anyway, but in my opinion, before y'all come. This is running low. I do got an extra one, but I just didn't feel like opening it. All right. So I've already gone ahead and contoured my face, and I've already set my highlight. As y'all can see, that's why she's looking a little dusty. But don't worry, it's gonna go away real soon. So right now I'm just about to, do my eyes. Real simple, real basic. Don't hurt yourself. Hi, honey. You call my phone? Oh. I'm almost done though. Okay, now that we're done with our makeup, time to move on to our outfit, and I'm gonna show y'all how I finesse this ponytail. Y'all not gonna see my hair, but I'm gonna show y'all how I finesse this ponytail, if I even have any ponytails. We'll see. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so now I have my hat on. I got it from Target, actually, and I'm about to turn around so y'all can see. So what you're gonna need is, I use like a big old pack of braiding or twisting, Marley twisting hair. And I usually use 2, because it comes with 2 packs of hair in the pack. So I usually do use 2, but that is only if my actual hair is out and I just want a big ponytail because I love big hair. But since my hair is in a hat and you see my hair is in these mini twists because I need my hair to start growing. It's the winter here in Connecticut, and I mean it's an actual winter. I ain't in Texas no more. So since it's an actual winter, I need my hair to grow. And when it's cold outside, there goes the breakage. So I'm about to just turn around for y'all real quick and show you how I do this thing. As y'all can see, my hair is coming out right here. So I take one ponytail and I put it at the bottom. Tie it on as tight as you can because you need it to grip. Babe, I'm recording. And take the second one, bless you, flip it on top. Babe! And then tie that on. Just like that. Right? Make sure everything's through. Flip it over. Right? Don't worry about the hair showing. We're going to tease it. Take a little bit. And if you have someone in the house, ask them if they can see your hair coming through. Most likely they won't be able to, especially if you tease the top. And girl, that's how you keep your protective style.